How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is John. My name is John. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from the United States. I am from the United States. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in New York. I live in New York. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. No, thank you. No, thank you. What time is it? What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? This costs $10. This costs $10. Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? The nearest hospital is 2 blocks away. The nearest hospital is 2 blocks away. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? My phone number is 123-456-7890. My phone number is 123-456-7890. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother. Are you married? Are you married? No, I am single. No, I am single. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog. What did you say? What did you say? I said, let's go to the park. I said, let's go to the park. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? The bathroom is down the hall. The bathroom is down the hall. How do you spell that? How do you spell that? It is spelled John. It is spelled John. What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? It is sunny and warm. It is sunny and warm. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.